Hey dance party, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, the first thing you're gonna wanna do when you wake up in the morning is drink about 3 to 4 cups of water. It helps to kickstart your metabolism and has a host of other benefits that are healthy for you. Before juicing, make sure everything is cleaned properly from all residue because that can create bacteria and you don't want that. Now let's get into this video. I will show you how much I put in of each fruit and vegetable. I typically don't measure the amounts that I put into the juicer of the fruits and vegetables that I use because this is soul juicing. Because just like soul food, we measure with our heart, what our feeling is inside, and what we think tastes good to us. The cool thing about aloe vera is that you can use it on your hair, you can use it on your skin, and you can also drink it. It's amazing benefits. Food can be medicine. People say juicing is very expensive. I say it's more expensive to pay for hospital bills and doctor bills from diseases and ailments that you get from eating unhealthy throughout your life. Your health is priceless. Don't forget my produce bag trick from my first video for easy cleanup. I only use about 1/3 of a bundle of cilantro and about 5 handfuls of spinach. You want to always have some dark leafy green vegetables in your juice. It is high in chlorophyll and very healthy for you. I usually do motivational videos, and this video is to promote good health, motivating a healthy lifestyle and good habits to live by. Please check out my book, Diamond Cut the Pain, How to Shine Like a Diamond, for motivational quotes and stories, inspiration, and much more. Eventually, you're going to be juicing so much that you're going to wear out your juicer brush that comes with the juicer. If you don't want to buy a new one, hop on over to the dollar store to go get you a veggie brush or a toothbrush. They both work. Look at that veggie residue playing hide and go seek. Don't forget to look for stuff like this because it will hide. We want to make sure we're very clean when we're juicing. Please like my video and comment below and let me know what you think. Now get juicing.